Hi everyone, let's continue with our next lesson. And today, before we start our lesson, we need to take a look at the website and understand few things here. As you can see, there has been some changes on the website and how you access your courses. After you log in, we used to go to this learn section, but it has changed a little bit. If you already started the course, after login, if you go to your dashboard page and scroll down, you will see your course in progress here, and you can click continue lesson and it will take you to your course page. Or if you go to this menu and click on learn, you will notice that this page is still the same, but when you click on this K-5 courses, this page looks a bit different from before. Now you see here ages 5 to 7, so these are the express courses we used to see, but we don't see any list of the courses. So what you'll have to do is scroll all the way down and then click on this explore curricula, and then here again you click on this explore courses and scroll down, and here you will see the list of courses where you can select course C. Click on see course details and this will take you to the course page. So if you don't want to go through all these steps, I'm going to put the direct link for this course on in the comments, or as I said, if you just directly go to your my dashboard, scroll down, you will see course C if it is already in progress, and you can simply click on view course and this will also take you to the same course page. Okay, so we always change the view here, go to the list view, and we will be starting with lesson 8. Lesson 7 is just a video. You can go through this video, understand the basics or the introduction about this section, and this section is about loops. So we will go through these lessons and understand what the loops are, and all these lessons from 8 to 10 will help you learn the concept of loops. Okay, with this let's get started. So the activity 1 is another video. You can watch this video on your own. I'll continue from here, and we are in level 2. So level 2 says use 5 of the same blocks to get the scrap metal. Scrap metal glows like this. So we need to collect all these scrap metals. So move forward, and then it will take you to this square. Then we just keep moving forward. So another move forward, come here, and to collect the metal we don't have to do anything special. We don't have any special command. So as soon as this character reaches to this metal, it will just collect automatically. So we just need to keep moving forward. So 3 move forwards will bring you 1, 2, 3. We need to move 2 more steps. So move forward and move forward. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's run and see if this works. Okay, so before we proceed, you need to pay attention to something here. If you see here, we are telling our character to move forward 5 times, and every time we are writing the same code. So this is not a good coding practice, right? If you have to do something again and again and again, there should be a better way of telling that to your computer that keep doing this thing for these many times. And that's what the loop means. Loop means you tell your computer that keep doing this task or this work for 5 times or 4 times or any number of times you want your computer to do the same work. Okay, so with that, let's go to the next level. And the next level is a quiz. It says, what do you think will happen when you click run? Okay, here it says repeat 5 times, move forward. So here there is a block, this new block. We have used this block before, but this, if you miss that, you can pay attention to that here, that this will repeat anything which is inside this block. So this pink block says repeat 5 times and do what? Move forward. So your character will move forward 5 times. So here the options are BB-8 will not move, BB-8 will move only 1 space, BB-8 will move 5 times and get all the scrap metal. So I think that's the right option. This will repeat 5 times what? Move forward. And we are done. Okay, the next is again a video which explains what this repeat block does, which we already discussed. So I'll move forward, and here if you look at the instructions, it says to get all the scrap metal, try creating a loop that uses only one block inside of a repeat block. So we take this repeat block and we need to see how many times we need to repeat certain action. So our character is here, BB-8 is here. You need to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So you take a repeat block and put move forward, and this number 5, we can change it to anything we want, but currently we want 5, so I'll leave it at 5 and run the program. And we are done. Now in this level, 2 repeat loops will help you get BB-8 to all the scrap metal with fewest number of blocks. Okay, so why are we using this repeat block? So that we can write efficient code. What efficient means? That you achieve the same task with less number of lines of codes. So when you say move forward 5 times, you're writing 5 lines of code. When you say repeat 5 times, this is 1 line of code, and inside that you're telling, okay, repeat this, move forward 5 times. Okay, so the same task is done in 2 lines of code. So let's start here. We will say repeat, and our character will move 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, move forward 4 times. So I'll change this 5 to 4. And then from here, first we'll have to make a turn. So I'll say turn right, and then again start moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we'll use another repeat block, leave it to 5, and then inside that repeat block we will say move forward 5 times. Let's see. And that completes our task. Okay, here there's no instruction, it just says go BB-8. So what that means is we just need to complete collecting these scrap metal with this character. So first thing we'll have to do, our character is here. First we'll have to move forward 1 step, turn, and then move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So I'll say move forward, then make a turn right, and then repeat block with move forward 5 times. Hopefully this will help our character collect all the scrap metal. Let's see. Great, and we collected all the metal. Now can you get it all? Same concept. Loops even work with more than 1 block inside. Can you loop this sequence? So they have already put the sequence together. Move forward, move forward, move forward 3 times, and then turn right. So our character has to move forward 1, 2, 3, and then turn right, and then again it will have to do move 3 times and turn right, and then move. So to cover this whole area and collect all the metal, we have to repeat these steps 3 times. So either you can repeat 1 step or 1 action number of times, or you can repeat multiple actions number of times. So we'll say repeat 3 times and put all these blocks inside the repeat block. So what this tells to your computer is that anything which is written inside this repeat block, start from here, go all the way to the end, and then do it again 1 more time, and then do it again another time. So it will repeat the number of times you mention in this box. Okay, let's run. And that completes our level. Now level 9. Can you try to get all the scrap metal using just 1 loop? So here we need to use 1 loop, so we need to find a pattern. So for loops, we always need to understand what the pattern is, and based on that our program should repeat. So if our character moves forward, turns, and then move forward and then turn, so we will reach to this block. Then again if we repeat the same steps, where will that go? Move forward, turn, move forward, and turn. Okay, so let's give it a try. We'll start with a repeat block. We will say move forward, then make a right turn. So this BB-8 will move forward and then make a right turn and then move one step forward. So this will collect the second scrap metal and then turn left. So it will start facing downwards. And from here, if we repeat these actions again, move forward will bring to this next block, then turn right will turn this side, then move forward will collect this metal, and then turn left will just turn the direction downward. And if we keep repeating this pattern, how many times? One, we come here, another step we come here, another step we come here. So I think 5 repeats should collect all the metals. Let's run and see if that doesn't work. We can always fix the program. Okay, another thing to pay attention to is this says workspace 6 by 6 blocks. Okay, so we were supposed to complete the program in 6 blocks and we have used all 6 blocks. So sometimes you may be able to complete the task, but you might be using more number of blocks than necessary, right? So program is still working, but it's not efficient, or it's not using minimum number of lines of codes. So pay attention to these numbers here as well. Okay, and perfect, we completed the task. Now let's move on to the next one. It's going to be a challenge. Let's see what the challenge is. Combine ideas from the last few puzzles to complete this level. Now here again we need to use repeat block or a loop. So we'll say repeat. Now what do we need to repeat? Move forward will collect this scrap metal or take our character to this square, then turn left will bring to this turn the character to this direction, and then move forward will bring to this corner, and another turn right will again start facing the downward. Okay, and then if we keep repeating this pattern like the previous exercise, it should bring us to this corner. Okay, so let's run this. Move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. Okay, let's run this program and see how it works. Perfect. So we have reached to this corner, but our task is not done yet. Now from here we need to turn around and then go up. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are currently facing down. If we turn one time left, we'll be facing to the right, and then we'll have to turn one more time so that we start facing upwards. Okay, so we'll say turn left and turn left 2 times. So out of 10 blocks, pay attention to this, out of 10 blocks we have used 8 blocks, so we need to use just 2 more blocks and finish the program. So I'll take a repeat block, and from here I need to just move forward 5 steps. So now I'm using all 10 blocks and hopefully our task will be completed. Okay, let's reset and run. Great, and we completed the challenge. Now the next exercise, use what you have learned to pick up all the scrap metal. So we are here, we need to move 1, 2 steps and then turn 1, 2, 3 steps and then turn 1, 2, 3, 4 steps and then turn. So the number of steps before every turn is different, so we can't use just one repeat block, we'll have to use multiple repeat blocks. Okay, so let's start with repeat 1, 2. So I'll change this number 5 to 2 and move forward. So this will take our character 2 steps forward. Then I'll have to make a turn, so I'll make a turn right and then move how many steps? 1, 2, 3. So I'll take another repeat block, change this number to 3, and then inside this block I'll put move forward. So I've reached to this corner. Now I need to make another turn, so turn right, and then how many steps we need to move forward? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll put another repeat block, change this number to 4, and inside the repeat block I'll say move forward. So it will bring us to this corner, and from here we just need to make another turn right, and then one more step, move forward. Let's run. Great, we finished the program. Now the same task, we just need to collect all the metal. Now let's see how we do this. So we need to move 1, 2, 3 steps forward, make a right turn, then 1, 2, 3 steps forward, and then make a left turn, and then 1, 2, 3 steps forward. So again, because we are making left turn, then right turn, then left turn, right turn, so we just can't use one repeat block because every time the turn is different. So I'll start with 3 times move forward. So I take a repeat block, and inside that I'll put move forward and change this number to 5. So what this does, your character will move 3 steps forward and reach here. Then we'll say turn right, and then again repeat block and move how many steps forward? 1, 2, 3. So change this number to 3 and move forward. So 1, 2, 3. Now we are here, and I have to make another turn. So I'll say turn left, and again repeat, move forward. So I have reached to this corner. Now from here we need to make another turn right, 1, 2, 3. So we need to move 3 more steps, repeat 3 times. Oh, I missed to change this to 3, so I'll change that and move forward. Okay, so I think our program is ready. Let's run and see. Perfect, and our job is done. Now we have a quiz. Let's see. Look closely at the code below. What will happen when you click run? So our code says repeat 2 times, move forward. So this character BB-8 will move 1 step, 2 step. After that it says turn left. So from this block it will turn left, and then repeat 3 times, move forward. So it will move forward 1, 2, 3. So essentially what it is doing, it's missing these scrap metal, so it goes up to this point, and then it should have moved at least 1 more step and then turn, but it has turned before that step. So let's look at the option and see. BB-8 will travel too far in the first loop. That's not true. It's not going too far. It's not even reaching the point where it should. So BB-8 will not travel far enough in the first loop in order to get all the scrap metal. So it's not going far enough. It should have gone 3 steps, but it's going just 2 steps. Okay, so this option looks correct to me. Let's run and see. Okay, and that was the correct answer. Let's continue, and we are at the last level. You are almost there. This time choose any path you like. Okay, so this is the metal we need to collect. We can take any path. We can go straight here and then down. You can go straight and down, then turn, down, turn, and then reach here. So this is a free exercise. You can do whatever you want. You can experiment a little and see how many ways you can achieve the same task. For now I'll simply go straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to repeat 6 times. And what do we repeat? Move forward. So we will reach to this block, and then we'll make a turn right, and then from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to go another 4 step forward. So I'll say 4 and then move forward. Let's run and see. Perfect. And with this we complete our lesson. So in all these levels, what we learned today is about the repeat block, and what repeat means in terms of program or in terms of coding language, it's called loop. So loop means when you want to repeat something again and again, you don't have to write it repeatedly. You just write it once and then tell your computer to repeat that task any number of times you want it to. Okay, so practice this concept, write as many programs as you can, and then we'll move on to the next level. Okay, bye bye.